Came across a WZA file generated by WinZip and unsure how to extract it? This is an activity archive containing compressed files from a WinZip workflow. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these WinZip activity archives. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated WZA file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. A user typically finds a WZA file within the installation directory of WinZip or when downloading a custom extension for the software. Their goal is to understand its purpose, which is to add new functionality, such as support for additional archive formats or cloud services, directly into the WinZip interface. The WZA file is a compressed archive, likely using the zip format itself, containing scripts, configuration data, and binary components. This self-contained package design allows WinZip to easily manage, install, and remove add-ons without complex installation procedures, ensuring modularity and extensibility for the core application. The common standard viewer for WZA is typically WinZip from Corel, WinZip Computing. Windows does not offer the necessary repair tools if the file header is damaged or malicious. Windows gives only surface-level insight into compressed files, so proper unpacking requires external tools. Let's use the list of installed programs to identify the best match. Right-click your WZA file, then click Open With. Test WinZip if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If the WZA file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Because your WZA file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, opening with WinZip. Install WinZip and double-click the WZA file to open it directly. WinZip displays the archive contents in its standard interface where you can browse, extract, or modify the contained files. The application also presents associated activity metadata describing how and when the archive was created. Next, trying alternative archivers. Since WZA uses zip-compatible compression, try opening the file with 7-zip, WinRAR, or PZip. Right-click the WZA file and use Open With to select an alternative archiver. These tools typically extract the file contents successfully, even without recognizing the WinZip-specific activity metadata. Finally, renaming the extension. Rename the WZA file to use a .zip extension and extract with any standard zip utility, including the built-in Windows extractor. The file payload extracts normally, though WinZip-specific activity metadata may be lost. This approach works when WinZip and other archivers are unavailable on the current system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.